The introduction of a pest or disease can happen unintentionally through soil, mud or water that might be present in or on a range of items.
You could inadvertently walk it onto a property or see it make its way into a waterway without knowing about it.
If you're travelling to Tasmania, it's really important that you check all of your vehicles, clothing and recreational equipment to make sure they're free of any visible dirt, mud or other potential contaminants that might be lurking on them. If anything is dirty, make sure that you clean it well and dry it off before you enter Tasmania.
One seed, one drop of water, a small amount of contaminated dirt could have a big impact. We all have a biosecurity duty to help protect Tasmania's environment, primary industries, economy and way of life from the negative impacts of pests, weeds and diseases. In fact, it's the law.
So do the right thing and make sure that what you do bring with you to Tasmania has been checked, cleaned and if necessary, dried. Come in clean.